We just made the lasagna this morning in the live lesson. Here's the lasagna here. I portion controlled it. So if you do this for the exam, you have to portion control it. You'll lose marks if you don't. So I portion controlled it by doing half a cherry tomato and a bit of parsley. So you'll need to garnish it because then you've got more to write about for the evaluation. Also, I could cut it. So I could cut it. That will also show portion control. So I've cut it, and this is roughly 4 portions, depending how it. But I would say that's 4 portions in the average restaurant. So 4 portions, nice and neat. Make sure you cut it nice and neat. You can even go around it. When you're serving this up, I cut it round here. The 2 biggest mistakes people make are not enough cheese sauce. You can see there's a bit of pasta showing here, so maybe I did that mistake, but it looked okay. But then the pasta shows through, which I was surprised. And also wipe this, as you can see, there's no black bits on here. Make sure you wipe that, otherwise you get loads of black bits on here. This was 20% fat, and as you can mince, and as you can see, there's loads and loads of fat in here. So what we're going to do, we're going to weigh this, how much fat's in there. Some of that though is I put a tablespoon of oil in there, so 15 grams roughly, 14-15 grams is thing. So we're going to weigh this. We're going to put the scales on, and as you can see, fats, and this is so some of this is water underneath, so it might not all be. You see some of this is mince and water here, so it's not actually all fat, but I reckon there's quite some about that was what I put in a tablespoon of oil, but all of that is extra fat out the mince. It's meant to be 20% fat. So let's see, you could actually do a little, cook some different minces and then drain them. As you can see, that's 60% fat, but 15 grams of that, and some of that's water, and that's not actually quite true because there's some bit mincy bits in there really. So, but as you can see, there's quite a lot of fat in there, and that's saturated fat, which is the unhealthy fat. Thank you.